Welcome to Unit Network. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to send, receive, and manage tokens, ensuring secure and efficient transactions. Whether you're transferring funds, building reserves, or tracking activity, this guide will help you take full control of your token ecosystem. Let's get started. This guide covers two different processes: sending tokens and receiving tokens from your community. Go to Unit Network and navigate to the Send and Receive dashboard. The Send and Receive dashboard consists of two main panels. This panel enables you to initiate send and receive transactions seamlessly. When you click on the Send option, the application will refresh and show the Send and Receive dashboard and the Wallet History panel, which displays a detailed history of all send and receive transactions for easy tracking and reference. This setup provides a streamlined interface for managing asset transfers and viewing transaction history. The Send feature allows users to transfer tokens to various recipients with ease. You can send tokens directly to another user within the platform, transfer them to a designated token bank for storage or specific purposes, or allocate them to the token treasury for community or organizational use. This setup provides a streamlined interface for managing asset transfers and viewing transaction history. We will now show you how to send tokens. To send tokens to another user, start by selecting the token you wish to transfer from the drop-down menu. You can choose to send tokens by quantity, such as 250 tokens, or by dollar value, such as $250 worth of tokens. Input the recipient's username, review the transaction details for accuracy, and confirm the transfer. Once the transaction is complete, you can track its status in the Wallet History section. Once you've completed the transfer to a user, you can also send assets to your token bank. First, select the token type, then enter the amount and choose the token bank where you'd like to send the assets. Once all details are entered, proceed with the transfer and confirm the transaction. You can track the transaction status in the Send History section once it's completed. You can also send assets to your token treasury by first selecting token type. Next, enter the quantity of tokens you want to transfer and specify the designated treasury by inputting the receiver treasury token symbol. After reviewing the transaction details for accuracy, click Transfer to complete the process. Your transfer to the token treasury is complete. You can track the transaction status in the Send History section. The Receive dashboard makes it easy to receive both cryptocurrency and fiat. It features a QR code, username, and URL that you can share with your friends or on your social media. You can also scan your fund transfers, which will appear in the Wallet History. All received transactions are centralized in one place for efficient management and tracking. Congratulations! You've successfully learned to manage your assets on Unit Network. From transferring funds, receiving funds, and tracking your transaction history, now you have the tools to take full control of your token ecosystem. Start exploring and unlock the full potential of Unit Network. We're excited to see how you utilize the platform to its fullest.